The trending buzzword Binod that is making rounds on the internet lately has left the netizens bewildered, wondering what it's all about. Subsequently, from police forces to well known brands, everyone is chiming in by using the hashtag Binod memes as it continues to dominate the social media. The buzz of the town originated from a YouTube channel, Slay Point, where creators Abhyuday and Gautami posted a video on July 15 talking about the illogical comments made under various videos that have no real meaning. In this video that goes by the title Why Indian Comment Section is Garbage, they showed their audience a wide range of bizarre comments left by YouTube users. This was when the netizens came across a comment by user Binod Tharu who just wrote his name Binod in the comment section, nothing else. It quite naturally baffled the netizens and they latched on to it so much that a meme was born. Followed by the original video, the name sparked a meme fest on Twitter where people came up with their unique versions of Binod memes that went viral at the very moment they were posted. However, the associations with the name didn't end there. To every question and to every situation, the answer remained only one: Binod. In addition, from police forces to brand names like Tinder, Paytm, Swiggy, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, and Airtel joined the trend and stole the show online. The Oxford English Dictionary defines meme as an image, video, piece of text, typically humorous in nature, that is copied and spread rapidly by internet users, often with slight variations. And if you have spent any time on Reddit or BuzzFeed, then you will probably find many who believe this is what the internet was made for. Well, they say laughter is the best medicine. So, crack a smile at some of the best, stupidest, and most famous memes we have found from around the web. In general, memes constitute a virally transmitted cultural symbol of social idea. It can be annoying when a bunch of people around you are speaking a language you don't understand. What are they saying? Why are they laughing? Are they conspiring against me? That is happening to many of us right now with internet culture. Memes constitute a prominent and influential language online, but most of us are meme illiterate. Sure, the simple bold text on a meme may be in English, but the references and meta callbacks are completely foreign. Conversations are happening all around us, but we have no idea what is being said. Memes are essentially a language that people use on the internet, and being able to identify and understand the nuances is key to understanding communication between people online. As internet culture has changed over the past few years, memes have become way less focused around wider stereotypes and identities and more nuanced and layered, often requiring a deeper level of understanding to get the joke. Let's enter in the world of memes to know which other memes became world famous along with this Indian meme, Binod. Change my mind. In the early days of 2018, comedian Steven Crowder posted a photo of him sitting at a table with a sign that read, "Male privilege is a myth, change my mind." His actions were designed to spark debate outside a Texas university for his podcast and YouTube channel. The results were interesting. The photo quickly became a template for many memes, with people changing the words on the poster but also photoshopping someone else behind the desk. The meme also proved incredibly popular on dank memes. Distracted boyfriend. This meme is fairly unusual in that it spawned from a stock photograph. That image was originally snapped by photographer Antonio Guillem, who uploaded it to iStock in 2015. It wasn't until 2 years later that the image became a popular meme, with simple captions added to the image to represent real-life things people are distracted by. This meme continued to prove popular in the months that followed, to the point that near the end of 2018, it was even banned from use in an advertisement by a recruiting company showing the lure of its offers versus viewers' current jobs. Exit 12. A really simple meme that shows a car aggressively exiting the motorway at high speed. This photo is simply tweaked by adding a caption to the road sign which shows the author's preference between two choices. Simple, effective, and ever so popular. Tide Pods. In 2017, for the sake of 10 seconds of fame, a disturbing trend emerged where people started recording videos of themselves eating laundry detergent and uploading the results to YouTube. This trend quickly resulted in a great swath of different memes around the stupidity of doing so. Fortunately, the so-called Tide Pod challenge is no longer a thing. Doge. Originating in the depths of 2010, this meme came to life. Thanks to some glorious photos of Shiba Inu, a breed of tiny and agile Japanese dog with a quizzical face. Posted on a personal blog, the original photos appeared with one such dog named Kabosu casually lounging on a sofa with a sideways glance at the camera. With the help of Reddit, Doge was then born. Images of the dog are photoshopped into various poses and situations, plastered with internal monologue quotes in Comic Sans font and delivered to the internet for the world to enjoy. This popular meme spawned a trademark claim, a satirical form of cryptocurrency, and much more besides. Grumpy Cat. Grumpy Cat is a particularly irritable looking pussy who goes by the real name Tartar Sauce. This meme again took off thanks to Reddit in late 2012 when original photos of Grumpy Cat were posted online. Various photoshopped pics of Grumpy Cat appeared online with captions expressing his distaste for whatever the topic happened to be about. Grumpy Cat proved so popular that it spawned all sorts of spin-offs, including stuffed toys, books, t-shirts, and even a coffee drink. Success Kid. Success Kid, also known as I Hate Sandcastles, became popular in around 2008 when a photo of a smug baby at the beach was used across the web on social media, mainly as personal profile photograph. Later, the photograph was photoshopped and turned into thousands of different memes in the animal advice style or referencing his apparent hatred for sandcastles. Success Kid goes by the real name Sammy Griner and has now aged a few years, but still seems just as pleased with himself in all the recent photos we have seen. His fame also helped to successfully pay for his father's new kidney after a plea for funding for a transplant went online in the middle of 2016. So, maybe he is successful after all. Sonam Gupta Bewafa Hai. Amidst the currency ban chaos and long waits outside banks and ATMs, Twitter managed to find humor and make Sonam Gupta Bewafa Hai top trending on all social media channels. The more we can understand memes and increase our overall meme literacy, the more we can understand the language people are speaking on the web.